everyone, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome, and after you have watched the video, please go ahead and subscribe and like and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, I love and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah! Okay, the supplies you will need for this tutorial are 2 candle holders, 3 packages of tea light holders, 2 tea lights, 4 candle holders, 2 packages of rhinestones, some glitter, diamond wrap, some black paint. It doesn't matter what type of black paint. This is metallic black paint. So black paint, Mod Podge or Elmer's glue, adhesive spray, scissors, and glue gun. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to paint both of the candle holders. This is just so that when I put the glitter on top that it will cover it up, and it just have a little, it has some black already on the candle holder. So you put the glitter on there. Okay, now what we're going to do is, now we're going to see which one does a better job, or does it do the same job. Here's some Elmer's glue. And here's some Mod Podge. Okay. Now we're going to take this one. We're going to put some Mod Podge on here. And now we're going to put the Elmer's glue on here. I should have had 2 gloves on. Woo! Now it's time to sprinkle our glitter on top of our candle holders. Okay, this one had the Mod Podge and this one had the Elmer's glue. I'm going to let those dry. I love glitter. You make a mess with glitter. So we're going to let these sit, let them dry. Okay. And to help them dry a little faster, we're going to spray them with our adhesive spray. Okay, we're going to let that sit for about 30 minutes. Okay, you guys, do you guys see any big difference between my 49-cent Elmer's glue and my $7.99 Mod Podge? Okay, so Mod Podge is still good on certain things, and Elmer's glue is good also. Okay, we're gonna take our candle holders out of the package. Let me see, I got one. We're gonna glue both of them together. Then we're gonna glue these candle holders onto this candle holder. We're going to do the same with this one. We're going to turn it upside down. Make sure it's centered. Okay. While that glue is drying, we're going to do the top of the candle holders. Okay. We're going to take our diamond wrap. We're going to measure it all the way around, cut it out, and since we have two of them, we're going to cut this down the middle, 5 on each side, 5 rows. Okay, now we're going to take our rhinestone and just cover the entire candle holder. Okay, I put the large rhinestones on the top, and I'm going to put the small ones randomly on the bottom. Okay, I'm finished adding the rhinestones to the little vase, the little candle holder. Okay, and now I'm going to take this. Okay, I put a little strip of diamond wrap, and then now we're going to add this to the top. Let's turn it this way. This is the front. Okay, let it sit. Turn our tea light on. Okay, drop it in there. And we'll finish. Okay, here's the final look of our beautiful, elegant candle holder. Fam, it's sharing time. I'm going to share with you 5 great items I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Number 1, I got some toasting pop-ups. I got it in strawberry. It is really good, you guys. I got some cool glasses. I got these little clear frames. This says aim to inspire. Out of the office, or out of office. I need coffee. Pretty cool. Some small silver spoons. And a t-shirt. Men's t-shirt. So, those are 5 great items I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Come back and watch another one of my tutorials. Mwah!